This photo from the Neighborhood series calls our attention to the squares and rectangles formed by the white screen door placed in front of the garage, and which, by being there, calls attention to the squares and rectangles on the garage door itself, as well as to the angles and junctures of the roof, all of which might have gone unnoticed. The image also contains a bit of a mystery. The horizontal white crosspiece that goes from the screen door to the side of the garage suggests that the screen door might be permanently fixed in front of the garage door. Yet, there is another way of seeing it. There is a moire pattern below the crosspiece, suggesting that it is the top of a square screen that, like the screen door, is resting against the garage. Looked at this way, the screen door and the crosspiece conform to our customary expectations. Why would someone install screens permanently in front of a garage? That was what I thought after studying the image. But wait a minute. Aren't there moire patterns on other sections of the garage door? The vehicle blocks the view to the right side of the garage, so we don't know if there is another crosspiece there. Well, now I have outside information about the garage. Beck's brother, Chris, told me that in fact there are screens permanently installed covering the entire garage door so as to make the garage into an extension of, or perhaps the entirety of, a lanai, a screened-in porch common in Naples, Florida, where Beck's mother lived. The main point, though, with this or with any of Beck's other images, is not to discover what the image was originally about, as interesting as that exercise is, but to learn more about what the image itself is doing. In this case, the image is intriguing because the geometric patterns bring out the ambiguities between the temporary and the permanent, and between the unconventional and the ordinary. Also, notice that we see only part of the vehicle. Is it an SUV or a truck? Another instance of Beck cutting things off, giving us just what we need to know to get what she's driving at. This photo from